Happy morning, children. We'll start with practice set 2.3, question number 6. Simplify. See, question number 6, simplify. This examples we have to do from practice set 2.3. Now, for this, what we need to do? First, you have to check. Simplify means what practically you have to do. Now, we did so many example where we were seeing the radicand. Now, here in this, for this third, 3 is the radicand. So further simplification for this, not much is there, nothing is there here also. So here just what I can do here is root 3 and root 3 for both. Root 3 is there, that we can take it common. Then what will remain inside? 5 plus 8, which is equal to root 3. 5 plus 8 is 13. And when you are saying bracket, it means multiplication. So that can be written as 13 root 3. And one more thing I would like to tell you. If you see both the examples, we understood the concept of like surds. If you see, these two are like surds, where the order of the surd is 2 and the radicand is same. If that is the answer, then directly also this 5 and this 8 you could have added. 5 plus 8, 13 root 3. Like that also we could have done. So understanding the concept of like surds is also very important. This is the first example. Then we'll move on to the second one. The second one given is this one, 9 root 5 minus this example we will do now, second one. Now this example, if you see, now 9 root 5. What the wordings given are simplify. So simplify means very important ki what is radicand is given, what we can do for every surd. Now 9 root 5 and minus 4 root 5. Just now I told you, here the order of the surd is same. And 5 and 5 radicand is also same. So they are like surds. If the like surds are there, this 9 minus 4, easily you can subtract. 9 minus 4 is 5. 5 root 5 you can easily write. But if still you don't understand, we can take root 5 as common and we can write it as 9 minus 4 plus. Now 125, you have to simplify what is given. So write the whatever surd is given in the radicand sign, inside the radical sign, whatever radicand is there. Now 125 is given. So you can take the prime factors of it. Now 5 is in the unit place, so divide by 5. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 5s are 25, 5 1s are 5. So this under root of 125 I can write it as 5 into 5 into 5, which is equal to root 5 into, bracket means multiplication, 9 minus 4 is 5, plus, now outside the radical sign, 5 into 5 is already given, a pair is given, so 1 5 is going to come outside. Now this will remain alone inside the radical sign, correct, which is equal to, now 5 root 5 into 5 is 5 root 5 plus 5 root 5. Now again we can take root 5 outside, it is common, so you will get 5 plus 5, which is equal to root 5 into 5 plus 5 is 10, which is equal, bracket means multiplication, so you can write it as 10 root 5. And as I said, here also we could have directly written, because here radical sign, so order of the surd is same, radicand is same, 5 plus 5, 10 root 5. 10 root 5 we could have written directly also. Now the next example, this we will be doing it. Now for this, if you see, first we will find 48. This radicand's prime factors we will find. Now 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 is in the unit place, you can divide by 2. 2 2s are 4, 2 4s are 8, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6 and 3 1s are 3. So we will be writing it as a product of its prime factor. Now 27 is so simple. So 3, so no need to do further anything. 27 what we will do? 3 9s are 27, 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. So we can write this as is equal to, I think I will write it down here again, 7 under root of 48. Third example, 7 under root of 48 minus under root of 27 minus under root of 3. Space should be there again simply. So which is equal to 7 under root. Now 48 means what I will write it as 2 into 2. How many times 2's are there? 4 2's are there, and this 3. So I'll write it as 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 minus this 27. I can write it as 3 into 3 into 3 minus, which will give me 7 into, now outside the radical sign, now 2 into 2 is there. So 1 2 you can, pair is there, 1 2 you can take it outside, into again this 2 into 2. So 1 2 is going to come outside the radical sign. So who is going to remain? 3. This 3 is alone. So inside the radical sign it will remain minus. Now here 3 into 3. So 1 3 is going to come outside the radical sign. Now this 3 is alone. So keep it alone. 3 root 3 minus root 3, which is equal to 7 2s are 14. 14 2s are 28 root 3 minus 3 root 3 minus root 3. Now here if you see, order of the third is same. Radicand 3 3 3. So you can do addition, subtraction, whatever you want. But if you don't understand, an easy way is root 3 we can take common, and 28 minus 3, nothing means 1 is here, which is equal to under root of 3. Now 28 minus 3 is 25. 25 minus 1 will be 24. So you can write it as into 24, which is equal to 24 root 3. This way you have to solve. I hope you are getting it. Now come to the next example. Now here also if you see, order of the third is same, 2 2 2, radicand 7 7 7. What we could have done, directly root 7 we can take outside and put inside all the given numbers, or subtraction can be done. But here simplest way will be, we'll just take root 7 outside. So you will, now here nothing means 1 is there, that also you should know. Here 1 is there. 1 minus 3 upon 5. 3 upon 5 plus 2. Now you all should know, here there is nothing means there is 1. Here there is nothing means 1. So we have to equalize the denominator. Now 5 and 1, what will be the LCM? It will be 5 only, correct? So now what we have to do, which is equal to root 7. So 1 multiply by 5. Also multiply the denominator by 5, because 5 is the LCM, minus 3 upon 5 plus, here also we want 5. So in the denominator multiply by 5. Numerator also multiply by, this will be cancelled. So we are not changing any values. This you all have studied right in lower classes how to do it. Root 2. Now this will be 5 upon 5 minus 3 upon 5. 5 2s are 10. 10 upon 5. Now denominators are same, no? So directly we can add or subtract the numerators. 5 minus 3 is 2. Correct? And 2 plus 10 is 12. Correct? So what answer you will get is equal to root 2 into 12 upon, now 5 denominator is same. So you can write 12 by 5. Otherwise once again all denominator same, write it once, 5 minus 3 plus 10 is not necessary. Directly you can see it, no? You can write into 12 upon 5, which is equal to 12 root 2 upon 5. This way you can solve. I hope you have got it.